chopping up some wood. What are you doing there, Jakey?
Tearing up cardboard for the fire.
Tearing up some fire for the car. Yeah.
Tearing up some cardboard for the fire is, I think, is the words that you're looking for.
It is the words I was looking for. Thank you, mate. So we'll get it going, hey?
Yes.
What's for dinner tonight, you ask Hollier? Chicken Stroganoff.
Righto. What's the ingredients?
Chicken.
Wow.
No, so we've got some chicken, we've got lots of mushrooms, because I love mushrooms.
Mushrooms, chicken.
Mushrooms,
Oh, never mind.
onions. In this little bowl here we have got, let me try and remember, sweet paprika, flour for thickening, we've got mustard.
Eric.
What else have I got in there? Some stock powder, some tomato paste. I'm trying to think what else is in there. I'll have to put a link in the video.
So
for the
in the
recipe.
description below, I'll get the ingredients off her once she knows what she's doing.
Sour cream.
Yep.
And we're just going to throw it all in the camp oven and cook it nice and slow so it's juicy and tender. Sorry, I was looking that we've got some neighbours coming over to sit around the campfire with us.
Who we got here?
Derek and Sue.
Derek and Sue, just manning it.
And Bob.
And Bob.
And Bob.
Crackhead.
How are we?
Oh, and
Hey guys!
hello. Oh, look at that.
this.
And she got the bubbly with her as well. Well done, Sue.
It is Friday.
Awesome.
It's Friday.
It's Friday.
All right, so you better go and have a quiet drinky poos and we'll get it going. Righto, so what have we done here? Bit of butter, sauteing?
Sauteing.
Sauteing.
No, sauteing. I'm just
Sauteing.
laughing at you.
I know, I'm going to be right. Righto. So what's the process here? Now,
Just chuck it all in. That's
the
all
reason
I
we
do.
love our Oswit as well, it was too hot on the fire and we don't have long to wait for the coals, so we just can lift it up with these arms and get the camp oven further away from the flame, and look at that, it's working a treat.
And I don't have to get my kitchen dirty.
Yeah, that's it.
I'm doing a Lisa.
Me.
Greg.
I'll watch the pot. Righto, so what's next? How long are you going to do that for? Talk to me.
Oh, that'll do because it's all going to sit there and simmer away for quite a long time, so it'll be nice and soft.
How much chicken have you got?
I don't know.
Come
I
on,
just
give
threw
it-
it all in. Actually, this is a mixture of thigh and breast. I just threw in what I had.
Right.
Because then we'll have enough for lunch tomorrow.
Happy days. Righto. Chicken, and then you got your, when do you put your big mix in?
Oh, I'll just get this a bit browned off first.
Righto. Righto, what's going in next, son?
Oh, this is all the spices. What have we got? Tomato paste. What did I say?
Just
Sweet
hold it
paprika, cayenne pepper, mustard, salt.
People
Oh,
in there.
he looks sorry. Hello. Oh, yeah, I could see him in there. No. And a bit of stock powder. Normally I make my own stock powder in the Thermi, but I've run out.
Righto.
Ooh.
Look at that. Stir all that in.
Yeah, get nice and thick. And then I'll put the, what's it called, sour cream in. And then we'll put the lid on and get it simmering away for, I don't know, what do you reckon, about an hour?
Ooh,
Make the chicken all nice and tender. And then I'll take the lid off and get it really reduced and thick. Oh, big flame up that side, holy
So what's
cow.
the liquid? Is it just sour cream?
Yes. Oh, and sorry, and I forgot water. I've got to go and get the water yet.
Right. Oh, it looks like it's empty.
Yeah, it is almost. I'm scraping the bottoms of everything at the moment. We need to do a big shop, don't we, Bob?
Geraldton, here we come.
No, I'm going back to Jurian.
All right, well we have to actually because we've got to go to that cliff place.
Oh, and then here's another one. I like this recipe. It's so quick and easy and it's delicious. The kids love it. They all begged for it tonight. And then I'll just go and get a heap of water. Actually, I wonder if young Jacob could go and get me the water.
Here we go.
What kind, hot or cold?
Just
Here,
get
just tap water.
over here.
I'm not even measuring.
Our neighbours have come over to say hello. There's Sue. Hey Sue. And look at that. Coming up a treat, babe.
Oh, we might need one more, Jakey, after you give me this one.
What do you reckon, Bob? Hey, Bob. Oi,
Run, Jakey, run.
what do you reckon?
Do you need to?
He reckons I'm happy to help you out with that sour
See how
cream.
much we've got.
Yeah.
Oh, mate, I'm going to need another one of those. That's not
Quick,
enough.
go get another one, bud. So that was 1 cup of water?
Yep. Well, I'll put all the measurements up later.
Yeah, she's a little bit how you going tonight?
And this is gonna sit and get really rich and oh, it's so good.
Here's it go.
Rich and good. This is a Thermomix recipe one, this one. You can do it in your Thermomix. But
Is this the new Thermomix?
Yeah, it's different, isn't it?
Yeah. I didn't know they made a Thermomix that looked like that, babe.
I still think that's gonna be too hot.
Oh, we can always take it off.
Dad,
Yeah, mate.
last night on the songs.
Did you spill the water all over Daddy's songs?
No, just a little bit.
Righto.
Right, I'm
Get
taking.
in, mate.
Not all of it. Not all, let me see. Let me
Pass it
see.
to Mum.
Let me see. I'll just
No,
go half
she's
at
gonna
first.
do it, and you don't need to.
I'll just try this much first. Ooh.
We've got to listen, mate. We've got to listen.
Going back.
All right, if that gets too hot, we'll just take it off for a while.
Not if it gets too hot.
All right, let's come back to it.
Oh, I didn't forget anything. I just was adding these last.
Well, you're doing it from great height.
I wanted it to look spectacular.
Righto. Is there anything else? Do I need to check?
No, I think that's it. I can't remember.
Righto.
I kind of remembered off the top of my head tonight.
All right. Well, let's see if we can actually get a shot of the finished product before the kids demolish it. A bit like Porcupine Gorge.
Oh, that was funny.
Righto, I'm just a silhouette, but another cracker of a sunset here behind us while we've got the camp oven going with a chicken stroganoff. What do you reckon, Jacob? You hungry? That's Jacob. Look, hang
Tired.
on. There he is, the silhouette. Happy days. Addie, do you want to come on the shot? That's a negatory.
Oh, sorry, that
Oh,
really
so
hurt.
we didn't have enough height. So Sue came up with this idea to put a
Where,
couple of
Sue?
our logs
Oh, my
on top of the fire to give us a bit more gap between
I was just going to sit that there.
the
I'll run this
camp oven
inside.
and the fire. Good work, Sue.
No problem, mate. It's all about harsh.
Look at that. Look at that. Sue's over there in the dark.
Talk about height.
Here we go. It's nice and reduced.
That's not really, but
Oh, it is a little.
Oh, there's
mushrooms.
a-
Oh,
yeah,
I've got to
I
get the
took it out.
mushrooms out for the kids. Fuss pots.
I know, it's the best part.
But
Seriously.
how good's that?
Oh, there's
I reckon
another
we've
one.
let that sit there for
Ooh,
over
yum.
an hour.
And it is so nice and tender. I've been sneakily eating it while
I
we've
know,
been talking.
I know.
Oh, I
Anyway, we're going to put the camera away, have some dinner. Alright guys, so we are at the southern end of the Sandy Cape Recreation Reserve. A little bit of breeze coming in from the northwest, so we're going to go and explore up over the headland from the southern side of where you can camp. But we decided to take the option to go up and over the dunes. So I'll bring you with us. Alright, so the family are climbing down a little crevice there, but I've got the drinks bottle bag and my camera, so I'm not keen to go and do the drop down there, so I'm going to try and run around. Let's see how we go. So it wasn't too bad to run around, but as soon as I got there, I had to run straight away, so I didn't get to film it, sorry. But the noise is probably quite loud of the waves. It's a cute little beach. I think we're actually about to head up there where Donna's going now. But this is what it's like on the southern side of the campground. The wind noise is probably going to be too horrific, but our camp is over there just behind Donna. But we've just found this like blowhole thing. Listen to this, see if you can hear it.
Dad had to have heard that one. It was so loud.
It's breathing. Here comes comes away, mate. Let's see if it makes a big noise.
Oh my goodness!
So how cool was that? I reckon a little bit bigger waves, you might actually get water coming out. So how cool is this? Around this side, we've got this cave. Come on, check out. Right, so we've done exploring this side. The kids want to go back and swim around where it's a bit calmer without the surf. Just a bit more breeze, that's all. So time to head back up over the sand dunes. Right guys, we've had an epic time here at the Sandy Cape Reserve. That's it for this week's video. Thank you again so much for watching. Hit that like button if you liked the video, subscribe if you're not already, and we'll see you in the next one. Now, just before I go, we have got a lot coming up. We've got some massive exciting things happening that I've been working on in the background with the app and the website. So it's taken up a fair bit of my time. I'm going to try and get another episode out each week, but please bear with me if it takes me an extra week to get the next episode out. But thanks again guys, we'll talk to you soon.